Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you on a room tour of the landmark hotel in Kanpur. So this is how you enter the room. On the left hand side you have this giant mirror, and on the right hand side you have this almirah, and let's see what's inside of it. You have the safe, okay, laundry bag, okay, some papers, and let me take you to the washroom. So this is the washroom, and the washroom actually looks good, more impressive than the main room. This is the shower area. Let's check out what you have in shower area. You have this hair cleanser, body wash, and hair conditioner. So shampoo has some fancy name here, hair cleanser. Let us see what we have here. We have this dental kit set. You have comb, you have shower cap, you have shaving kit, and you also have this moisturizer, 2 glasses, and this tissue paper, bathing soap, and hair dryer, small mirror, and a big mirror, and towels, of course. So now this is the main room. I really like the room, and I wasn't expecting it to be this good. The only thing which I can say here is that the floors look little old and kind of dirty. If you can also see, you have this beautiful desk area, glass, this water bottle, you have this tea station, you have cashews, almonds, Mr. Makhana, this thing, nachos, peri peri, this tea and coffee station, 2 glasses with 2 spoons inside of it, a cookie jar with some cookie, and I always forget, this is electric kettle. I always forget the name somehow. This is the mini bar, and it is filled. Okay, it is quite full, and after a long time I have seen a full mini bar. You have this drink, Snickers, some real mango juice, mixed fruit juice, some soft drinks, Red Bull. You have this dustbin. This is another seating area. This also looks a bit old, and you have this table here, and you can check out the bed. It is of decent size, and side table has this phone, this writing pad and a pencil, this menu. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's mostly the food menu here. Looks very good. Let's check out the view, guys. It's got so many curtains. Oh, I don't know how to remove it. I'll just quickly take you here. So what is the view that you see? It's night, so it's not much visible, but it's mostly the city view. So friends, this is it for today. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, that has one runner carpet also, and a giant TV with that underneath thing to keep its set-top box, I think, or the remote. So that's it for today, friends. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.